I'm back on the Cotswold Way. It's now November and yeah, it's taken a long time to do this walk. So I've got a new camera. It's an Osmo Action and we'll see how that goes and whether my videos improve with it. I'm kind of thinking it's driver error rather than the camera, but we'll see. Have the support crew and Dot's joining us on this little adventure, and yeah, I'm going that way. Starting off with a bit of road walking. The leaves are changing colour and it's mid-autumn, it's mid-November, so normally the trees would have lost their leaves, but yeah, still quite green. I'm planning to do about 9 miles today. I think I've got some uphills to do, and the plan is to stay at a pub car park tonight and have a meal there. Car coming. So I had planned on finishing this walk before we did the Jersey trip, but it didn't happen. You know, we get busy, don't we, I suppose, and before we knew it, I was going to Jersey and did that trip. So, oh, I really want to finish this before Christmas, but if I don't, I don't. So, so close to Bath now, 26 miles away. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Oh, it's a bit muddy. That sign over there says Cotswold Way that way. So here goes. Oh, good grief. Okay. There we are. Not too bad. Wow, and there's a monument. We're pretty high up. That's an interesting monument. We'll get a bit closer and see what it's all about. There's the monument. I'll go and find out what it's a monument of shortly. I'm sure there's going to be a signpost, but yeah. And there's the support crew. So we're in a place called Hawkesbury. I didn't say where we started from today actually. We started from a place called Hillesley, which is where I finished last time. And that's called Drover's Pool, a little pond there. And yeah, just carrying on. Where am I going to finish? Not sure yet. Depends on daylight. So in the far distance I can just about see the Severn Bridge, and God, such a nice view from up here. And the sun is shining. And just following this path for a bit. Just heading into a town called Horton. Look at that amazing tree. There's lots of crows around. And every now and again I scare a pheasant, which makes me jump because they just like fright and they just like start flying up in front of you. So yeah, it's lovely old trees in this wood. So I'm kind of guessing this is Horton Woods. Try and catch a leaf falling off the tree. How beautiful. Just look. That is an Iron Age hill fort, and in the distance there's a deer. Probably won't be able to pick it up on the camera. Walking along this road. So, just walked through Horton. It's a very small little village. Lots of horses around. And half a mile to Little Sodbury and lunchtime. Oh boy, I'm really hungry now. So, yeah, more in a bit. So, here we are, just in Little Sodbury. There's a very sweet church. Okay, it's the church. It's a nice little church, isn't it? Okay, right, let's go to the van and get some lunch because I am starving. Van lunchtime. Sourdough bread, leek potato soup and coffee. Wow, we've brought this one with us today. So every trip with Dot is a bonus because honestly she's really old. Aren't you, Dot? Hey? Yeah. She used to walk with me. Now she sits in the van with AJ. Off we go again, Cotswold Way. That way. Okay. More in a bit. So, we're off to Old Sodbury now. This is where you get a bit of a battle going on with how much daylight you have when you do longer walks in the autumn and the winter, because you really want to be finished by 3, half 3. Otherwise you're pushing it. So anyway, we'll see how we get on. You just come through that gate and then wow, massive views, huge views. And I'm guessing that church there is Old Sodbury Church, so that'll be my next stop. So we're just going through into the churchyard of Old Sodbury Church. It's a nice little lynch gate. And there's the church. Just walking down from the church, Old Sodbury, and heading down here. So I've got a map, and this is the way on the map, on the Cotswold Way, but it's not signed as the Cotswold Way. Makes me a bit nervous. Let's see anyway. I've already made one mistake coming out of Old Sodbury from the church, and there's a tunnel that goes underneath Old Sodbury, which is a train tunnel, which is like, it just goes underneath the whole of the village. And I saw like a castle up on the hill, and it's not a castle, it's an air ventilation shaft. So anyway, let's see, hopefully this is the right way. It's not the right way, going back. Oh, come on, it's 3 o'clock. Running out of daylight. See, I knew this would happen. So, never mind. So, always follow the way that you're going. Don't get sidetracked by footpaths. That's what I say. I'm in a place called Coom's End. That's very nice, traditional Cotswold stone. So it gets dark at 4:25 and it's 20 past 3. I haven't got far to go, so a couple more miles, so I'm gonna crack on. I've just met up with AJ, so he knows what I'm doing, he knows my route, so it should be okay. Touch wood. So this is Doddington Park Estate. See the markers. Beautiful grounds. Look at that. Lots of sheep. Beautiful trees. Following the signpost because it's private. So it's like a permissive path. And a beautiful oak tree that's about to fall over. It's got some props on it. And then there's like a little canal. Yeah, it's rather pretty, isn't it? And look at the colour. Oh, you might not be able to see the colour of those trees. I'll video it a bit when I'm a bit closer. It's like these bright red trees. Daylight is fading. But that was a lovely walk through Doddington Park. And that's the main Bath Road that we can hear in the distance. and I'm just heading up to that corner there, and then walking into a town called yeah, it's me again, vaguely so, Tormarton I think it's called, or Tormarton. We'll see when we get there, shall we? Okay, so the Bath Road is not pleasant to cross. Oh, especially when you're like seriously trying to get your breath. That says 10 miles to Bath, quarter of a mile to Tormarton. Hey, nearly at Tormarton, where I'm going to stop today, and 10 miles to Bath, which is like amazing. That means I could get there tomorrow, but I think the Cotswold Way is a bit longer than 10 miles from here. I need to look at my map and decide. But still, I'm quite close to Bath, which is great. It's taken me since March, so March, April, May, June, July, August, September. It's like 9 months. God, that's a long time. Anyway, nearly there. It's been a good walk. I've actually enjoyed doing it through the seasons, so yeah. I started off in spring with the start of the garlic flowers, so that was kind of cool, and then just worked my way through. So yeah, had lots of people come with me as well, so that was nice too. So yeah, oh, two more journeys I think, so that'll be cool. Right, more later. At the end of my walk today, I'm going to finish off at a pub called the Major Retreat. Score that walk. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. I'm not sure whether I've been spoilt with my recent walks around Jersey, so I'm sorry, but it didn't have any wows today. There was some views. Obviously the autumnal scenery was amazing, and these beautiful villages are absolutely stunning. But yeah, 6 out of 10 today. That's with the drink, but more tomorrow, so see you tomorrow.